You're gonna be okay. You just need to hold me. This is fake. Look, it's plastic. It's a toy. Look, that rat right there, it's not real. See? This is a toy. Huh?
There's a skeleton.
Look, it's funny. It's funny.
Not funny. It's scary in this words.
Come on, it's not scary. You're with your papa.
It's a skeleton.
It's made of plastic. It's a toy.
Mama, it's a skeleton.
Okay. It's a silly little thing.
I don't like to see this.
Huh?
This is a skeleton.
It's a toy.
But it's a skeleton.
Okay.
It's a skeleton.
Okay, just hold Papa. I want to go up there. Look. Huh?
I don't like to see
Okay, come on. It's just a toy. Let's watch.
It's gonna go up and down.
Okay, close your eyes. Hold my hand. Come on.
It's gonna go up and down, and up.
Yo, we need to run. Come on, run. Run with Papa. See? There's nothing. Silly.
The skeletons again.
The skeletons again?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, would you be scared of that? That's a toy.
But it's not.
Look, it's a toy, see? It goes around and around. Look, it goes around and around. Okay, never mind.
I don't like skeletons. I don't like to see this.
What about this one?
I don't like to see it.
Okay, you don't have to see it. We're almost there. Oh look, somebody up there. Say hi.
Skeletons are scary.
No, they're not. They're trying to chase us. Run! Where are we? Oh, right here. Whew. Oh, it's scary. No, we can't go there. We're gonna get lost. Let's go this way.
But it's scary.
It's not scary.
It got skeletons. Skeletons. Skeletons.
You don't want to go